I'm just going. So I'm just waiting for her to come in so that. Hey, Shraddha.
Hey Divya, how are you? Finally, we see each other.
Yes, yes.
That's
This is so
amazing.
exciting to. This is so exciting to see you in live.
Absolutely. So excited. Hello, everyone. Everyone's joining. So I think we should just give everyone some time to join.
Yes, yes. So I'll quickly let people know who you are. So I'm so happy to be live with you, Shraddha. Shraddha is none other than the celebrity makeup artist, and she has done her course from London, and then she started her career 10 years back. So she's very passionate about what she works for. She's a very positive soul, so warm, so cool, so genuine. And then she has worked with actors like Shraddha Kapoor, Kriti Sanan, then I think Kriti Karbanda as well, right,
Yes, yes,
Shraddha?
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah, so and the list goes on. It She worked with Asin in her early career, and
yes,
then she worked with Prabhas.
yes.
For our South India, he's like a superpower or Superman.
He is the most
So
genuine and humble
superstar.
person I have come across with. He is amazing.
Okay. Yeah. So we're very privileged to have you. I mean, to take live with you, and I'm very
Thank
happy and
you.
excited to have this.
Thank you so much, Divya, for making me a part of such an amazing initiative. I can't tell you how overwhelmed I am with everybody appreciating your cause so much. And so,
Thank you so
guys,
much.
everyone who knows me, this is Divya. She and her husband Ganesh, they have formed this planner plant and they have come up with the initiative of Plan Ganesha. So, congratulations, and it's so amazing that you have had this initiative started. So, we like
Thank
to
you so
know
much.
everything about it today. We are all are very, very excited.
Yeah, thank you so much, Siddha. Actually, I am excited as well. So, basically, Plana Plant, we have started it in 2017.
Okay,
And Plant Ganesh is our launch product
right,
when we started off in 2017. So,
of course,
behind this Plant Ganesh, we had 6 months of vigorous hard work, research. Actually,
right.
we researched on around 500 idols. So every
Wow,
day
okay,
we used to try. Next day, some or the other, the plant
amazing,
used to sprout without puja, or the
right,
pot used to not, it was not attaching to the pot, some or the other way. Around
right,
500 pieces we researched, and then this is the product that we have come out. And we started it in 2017, and there is no look back for us from
of course.
2017 for Plana Plant.
That's amazing. I mean, I'm sure it must have taken you a lot of efforts to come up for something like this. So,
Yeah, actually.
so you,
Yeah, so we, yeah,
as we
please.
discussed yesterday, you said you and Ganesh, you both were not from this field initially. You were
Yeah,
from the HR
yeah,
field. So why this switch?
yeah.
Why did you think of starting something like this?
Yeah, basically, the thing is, we wanted to do something for the nature or something, not regular business though, but we didn't want to go forward with the kind of job or entrepreneurship was like our thought from the beginning. So what we
Right,
wanted was, we didn't want to do a regular business kind of a thing, or we wanted to do something which is useful,
right,
or and
right,
which is sustainable. It's
right.
not that एक season आया है एक season चला गया. We just
That's so
wanted
true.
something to be sustainable. And
Right.
as I told you also, we both are NLP master practitioners. So neuro
Amazing.
linguistic
Yes, yes.
programming, yeah, master practitioners. So from there, what we have learned was, whatever we do, we have to
Hmm.
justify, and there should be some ecology check, or ecology should be maintained. So
That's
whatever
so
we do,
amazing.
yeah, whatever we do, the result should be like for the nature, and pro to the nature. So
Correct,
that
correct.
is when we had options, one or two options, but then we chose Plan a Plant.
That's
And this is where
amazing.
we are right now. Definitely, it is not a cakewalk for us, Shraddha.
For
We
sure.
definitely struggled and ups and downs like any other business. But
Right.
then we are here today.
Amazing. And it's such an amazing cause. And I would like to know, I know you support nature and plants and environmental friendly everything, but why Plant Ganesh? Why this initiative?
Yeah, so actually, when we before I mean before we started Plant Ganesh,
Mm-hmm.
so what we were like, plaster of Paris Ganeshas were being used, and then these plaster of Paris Ganeshas are like thrown in the lakes. We
Yes,
generally do puja of Ganesh Chaturthi for 10
yes,
days, 15 days, whatever
yes,
is the belief. People
yes,
do even 3 days as well. So
yes.
we so dearly and so nicely worship the Ganesha, and then at the end, what are we doing? We're just dumping them in the dirty lakes.
Yeah, that's
That is
true.
what we saw.
Yeah,
So this was like not so. I mean, we were disturbed with these thoughts, and then we thought, why not do this? So
right,
I mean, we thought. I mean, we checked for the concept, and then we came out with something unique. It should not be like DIY. Do it your own.
right,
So
right.
like and one more thing, if the idol melts, where should the idol be placed? Or the
Yes,
mud, again they have to take it in a pot, and then
right,
again they have to seed it. So
right,
seeds,
right,
thode log, how should they be seeded to get a
right,
plant?
right,
So these are all questions. So
right,
if they are not seeding it properly, will the plant
right.
come or not?
Yes,
At
yes,
the end of
yes.
the day, our motto should be getting a plant.
That's true. That's true.
So that is the reason, main reason why we wanted to go with this ready-made plant Ganesh product, where
Right.
people need not do anything. They just have to worship the god and then keep
Yes,
it in a balcony, pour some
yes.
water on it.
That's true.
So plant will automatically come.
That's
So
amazing.
that's the
Like,
main concept.
it's so amazing. I remember, like, we haven't, everyone's been asking me, are we associated? Do we do this together? So I just would like to tell everyone that I know of Divya and Plan a Plant. Just, oh, maybe 10 days before Divya, we just met 10 days before
It's not even
online.
10 days.
Not even 10 days.
It's
Yeah,
not even 10 days.
I saw the Ganesha, this whole idea on my friend's profile, Ria Rayleigh, and I
Yeah.
immediately got in touch with you that night, and it was so welcoming,
Yes.
and you were so warm. And I was just so happy because I've always been disturbed. As you said, we love Ganesha so much. And, for
Yes.
10 days, we do all the puja and we take care of it so
Yes.
much. And then at the
Yes.
end of the day, it's just lying, broken pieces are lying on the beach or the lakes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it was
True.
very
True. True.
hurtful to see that. I remember going
True.
to the beaches and seeing these broken idols. Sorry. Not only during Ganesh Chaturthi, but after that also, whenever you see these broken idols and you really, really feel bad. And I really wanted to
Yes.
do something. Like I
Yes.
remember me picking up and putting it in the kalash, but I knew that that was not the only thing that I should do, and it should be bigger, and we should spread awareness. So I'm so,
Yeah.
so happy that you've come up with something like that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Actually,
Sorry.
yeah, that's okay. So what we do is in Hyderabad also, very similar to Mumbai and Pune, Maharashtra. We have this Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated very widely in Hyderabad
Right,
since
right.
very beginning. So here also we have so many pandals set up, and we do this as a very major kind of a festival for Hyderabad.
Right, right.
So that is the main reason that we had to think of it and opt for it.
That's amazing. So, Divya, I since we have started this initiative and we are spreading this everywhere, everyone's been asking me few questions. They have few doubts. So that's what I'm going to
Sure,
ask you about. So everyone
sure,
wants
sure,
to
Shraddha.
know, is this handmade?
Yes, this is handmade. This
Okay.
is done with human effort only.
Okay.
That is why, I mean, basically they are molds only, but then this
Right.
is done with hand,
Right.
human
It's not a
efforts.
machine that's doing it.
No, no,
That
no.
also
It's
brings such a
handmade.
nice personal touch to it, isn't it?
Yes, yes. So,
Amazing.
like workers, laborers, and
Right,
then craftsmen are
right,
involved in this. So
right.
this is made of hand.
Okay, lovely. And also,
Yeah.
some people have received the idols and they want to know that do they have to plant it immediately? Do they have to put water, like do Visarjan after like a 10-day puja or a 2-day puja? Or can they keep the idol for a little longer time? So, how does that work?
Yeah, so basically this product is made for festival, Ganesh festival. So
Right.
when there is, I mean, on the festival day, you have to do puja for the Ganesh idol, the pure clay Ganesh idol. You can do puja, keeping it
Mhm.
on the pot or without the pot also
Right,
in
right.
puja. Now, it is your wish to keep it how many days ever you want, like 3 days,
Okay.
5 days, 9 days, 11 days. So, how many days you want to put it in puja, you can
Right.
do. So, after puja, when it is time for Visarjan,
Mm-hmm.
like when it is time for Visarjan, so you can put the pot, put the idol in the pot. Which we
Okay.
have provided to you with
Okay.
the
Okay.
cocoa peat and vermicompost.
Right,
Put
right.
this idol where you get direct sunlight, either
Okay.
in balcony or somewhere at your home where you get direct sunlight, and
Right.
then pour water on the idol.
Okay. Okay.
So who doesn't do the puja or who
Yeah.
cannot do puja, they
Right.
can water the idol whenever they wish to.
Okay. Okay. So there's no hard
Yeah,
and
so
fast
until
rule to it. Yeah.
no. So
Yeah.
until and unless water is poured, the
Yeah.
Ganesha will not start melting.
Right.
So
Right.
this can be kept even for 2 months, 3 months.
Right. Right. And the
But
seeds are
then,
not going to
yeah,
get spoiled or anything.
here I would like to add one point
Yeah.
because it is a vegetable seed that we use.
Yes.
The seed has a validity of 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. Okay.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can retain the idol for how many
Okay.
ever days you want. But
Okay.
then if you are expecting some plant out of it, I would recommend you to use it within 3 months
Okay.
from the
Uh,
date of delivery.
Lovely. Okay, so everyone's asking me what seeds. So I know that these are not a fruit or these are not flower seeds, but these are vegetable seeds. Is there a reason why we
Yes.
have vegetable seeds in our Ganesha?
Yeah, definitely. Basically, I told you when I mean, when we started our research, we started off with multiple seeds. First, we started
Right.
off with tulsi. But
Okay.
then tulsi we are not using because of two main reasons.
Okay.
Since idol is made of pure clay,
Okay.
so when it melts, lot of clay would be over the seed.
Right. Right.
And then tulsi seeds do not germinate with lot of soil over it. And
Right.
then second point is according to Hindu mythology, what we were advised is tulsi should not be clubbed with Ganesha.
Is
It's
it? Okay.
only on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi that uh, we do puja or we worship Ganesh with some tulsi leaves, but then
Right.
not at all tulsi and Ganesha should
Right.
not be clubbed.
Right.
That is what
Right.
we were told.
Yeah.
Because it is, in a way, a god, we should consider these points as well when we are
True.
trying to
True.
do it.
Correct. Correct.
So that
Absolutely.
is when we have tried flower seeds. Flower
Okay.
seeds, same, because of the germination capacity of flower seed is also like not so much. And then
Okay.
so then finally we tried vegetable seeds. So
Okay.
what we thought was, basically we are giving a small idol which is very idle for, I mean, which is very good for household people. Generally
Right.
these are kept for household.
Right, right.
So we wanted to promote grow your own food
Okay, that's such a good
concept.
initiative. Right.
Yeah, so we wanted to actually promote grow your own vegetables, and
Okay,
then
okay.
we thought of trying vegetable seeds, and
Right.
then which
It was a
vegetable
success.
can actually, yeah, success. At
That's
the
right.
end of the day, we should get a plant, Shraddha.
Absolutely,
Then,
absolutely.
then only our efforts will be
True,
successful.
true. Absolutely.
So that is one point. So
Okay.
that is when we wanted to go with veggie seeds.
Okay. Amazing. Are there any specific
Yeah.
vegetables that we can expect, or it's just
Yeah, so we have placed bindi or brinjal or
okay?
chilies randomly.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can expect any of that.
Oh, amazing. So now we'll have chilies in our
Yeah.
garden. That's amazing in our house. That's
Yes,
amazing to know.
yes.
Are these, because I have never grown vegetables in my house, so are these, do you really have to take care of these plants, or they are easy to be taken care of?
I should not say they are easy because
Okay.
they they have to be taken care.
They do
That is also
require
true.
care. Right.
They do require care since they are vegetables. But
Right.
then the main, I mean, another purpose was to get interest among people or kids, basically young generation, to
Right.
let them have an interest in growing seeds,
True.
growing plants, how a seed germinates, what
Correct.
is the life
The
cycle
whole
of
process.
a
Yeah.
seed.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Yes,
so
it becomes
fascinating.
yeah, it becomes a sapling, then it grows to become a plant, and
Plant.
then it grows gradually.
That's amazing. So there's someone who's asked
Yeah.
us, are these plastic pots the one that you get with the idol? Do you want to highlight
Yeah.
on that? Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, because they are recyclable plastic. I
Okay.
will not say they are not plastic, but then they are
Okay.
recyclable. It's a
Okay.
virgin plastic, and then it's like they can be reused,
Okay.
recycled.
Okay.
So it is not harmful to the nature because single-use plastic, no, it's not single-use plastic,
Okay.
so that it is thrown away, but then
Okay.
it can be recycled.
Recycle.
So that
So
is, yeah,
so they are not
that is
harming
where
the
we wanted
nature.
to. Definitely, because when we go to a nursery, also they will give us a plastic pot.
True,
Definitely,
true.
they would not give a ceramic or
Yeah,
a
yeah.
fiber pot. But then
Right.
it is more important how we are using it.
Correct.
So, how many times we are using it, or how we are using it, or
Right.
it's not just like a throwaway kind of a thing.
Correct. Okay, lovely. That's
Yeah.
amazing to know. So, also everyone wants to know, what is this idol made of? Is it a clay idol? What is it made of? What is the roots of this idol?
Yeah, actually, this is a good soil, filtered soil, and
Okay,
then it is clay definitely.
it's clay.
But then people do, yeah, it is clay. But then
Okay.
people do ask me, since it is clay, will the seed germinate?
Yeah, yeah,
So
absolutely.
definitely, yeah. So definitely the seed would germinate because
Right,
we have added cocoa peat, a little compost as well in the pot.
right. Yeah,
So this clay mixes with the cocoa peat,
right,
and then that is the material which helps in seed germination. So
right, right,
definitely there is a germination,
right,
and whoever would follow the process that we provide, so definitely they will get a seed. How many ever I mean, how many numbers that we sold till
right,
now, because
right.
if they follow the instructions that we give them
Yes, yes, yes,
during unpacking,
yes.
they would definitely get a seed.
Yeah, I would
That is
like to
our success
highlight,
story.
yes, I would like to highlight here that with the Ganesha, you get a list of instructions of how you're going to do it. So
Yes,
you are not going to feel stuck anywhere, because everything in detail is given. And plus, you can
yes,
anytime message Divya or me about it, and we are here to help you. So if
yes,
you have any other doubts, guys, I'm reading your messages also. Thank you so much for all the love. We're feeling overwhelmed. Thank you for supporting this cause. And if there's anything that you would like to, can we do first year puja, which includes Abhishek on Ganpati? I'll fear no, 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 no. Okay, so Divya did mention that until and unless you don't pour water on the idol, you can keep the idol as it is. Once you start pouring idol, guys, because it's clay, so it is going to start melting. So we would
yes,
recommend, how many seeds are in one idol? We would recommend you to not put any water unless and until you want to do a visarjan or you want to grow a plant out of it. So we'll keep water
yes,
away from our Ganesha till we want to do puja.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
So
definitely.
Amazing. So, Divya, this is a clay idol, as you told me, and clay idols are very sensitive. Obviously, they're very delicate and fragile.
Mm.
Then, how do you
Yes.
deliver it across India? How does that work? How do you take care of the idol to make sure that it reaches safely?
Yeah, so actually we have an extra safe packing in
Okay.
which we send these plant Ganesh idols.
Okay.
So there is a as you received the box,
Yes,
so you
yes,
could actually see how strong the
absolutely.
box is
Yes,
outside,
yes,
inside as well.
yes.
So we have a special partition for the idol which we have
Okay,
because of which the box has additional strength. And then
okay.
apart from the additional partition that we have inside exclusively for the mud idol, we
Mm-hmm.
also have an extra care packing inside.
Okay,
So
okay,
that is the main reason we would be able to actually deliver it. And
okay.
then that is our strength.
That's
Frankly speaking,
amazing.
when we started in 2017,
Mm-hmm.
we started with a motto of just selling it around our local area in Hyderabad
Right,
for
right,
1,000 or 2,000. But
right.
then when we started it, we went viral across India. We
That's
started getting
amazing.
calls from Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi.
Of course, of course.
Then we thought, why not we actually do it? Then we
Right,
have
right,
sit down and then we planned it for the box packing, everything,
right, right,
collaborated with delivery people,
right.
told them this is fragile, it has
Yeah,
to be carried very carefully.
that's
And
right.
then from this is the fourth year that we're doing, and
Okay.
hardly, I mean, among 12 to 15,000 idols that we deliver
Wow.
every year, we hardly get at not even 10 to 25 breakages.
Right, right.
That
That's
is
really good
that
to
is
know.
no- yeah, that's not even 1% that we get.
That's true.
So we take care of that. We also have delivered it out of India, like
Okay.
US,
Oh,
Dubai,
that's really good to
Germany.
know. Okay.
Yeah, so we've partnered with a third party courier,
Right,
so they handle them very carefully.
right, right.
So they take them across in out of India as well.
Out of India. That's amazing to know. So,
Yeah.
in case anybody wants to, if there are anyone watching and they want to know how how many days before do someone order for like an parcel for abroad? Like how many days before should they
It,
be ordering?
Yeah, so for abroad, then generally we advise them to do it 1 week to 10 days before
At least 10
because,
days before. Yeah,
yeah, because they should avoid last minute rush.
true,
Transport people, once it is out of our hand, we
true.
cannot push them to deliver quickly.
Right, right,
And
right.
then we definitely advise them. And delivery charges are as on actuals we
Okay,
take. We would
okay,
not charge anything higher,
okay,
how much ever it would cost, because plant Ganesh box weighs 2 kg.
okay. All
So
right,
how, yeah. So it weighs 2 kg. So how
right,
much the cost would be, that much we
right,
would take. We would not charge anything extra.
right,
But this
right.
year, exclusively, we have made this plant Ganesh free delivery across India.
Oh, that's amazing. That's so good to know.
Yeah,
Lovely, lovely. So, Divya, as you said that first you started initially just for Hyderabad or people around you, and then
yeah,
you've got so much nice
yes.
response that, now you've spread your wings everywhere. That's amazing to know. Congratulations on that. And
Thank you so
everyone
much.
would love to know what is the recognition that you've got? Have you been recognized anywhere? And do you want to tell us about that?
Yes, definitely. When we started off in the first year itself, uh, we were told, I mean, we have got a email saying we have been mentioned on Man Ki Baat by Modi sir, Prime
Oh,
Minister
that's
sir.
amazing. That's
Uh,
amazing.
yeah, so that's a one first recognition that we have got
Right.
national. And second thing is, second year we have actually got a handwritten appreciation from Gujarat Chief Minister sir.
Okay.
So it is so dear to us. So he has actually called us, taken our address, sent a post cover signed by him, appreciating
Okay.
us for our work.
That's amazing. You
So
are doing a commendable job, and all the appreciation. I
thank you,
think you
Shraddha.
deserve all the appreciation. Is there
Thank you so
anything that you
much.
would like to add more about Plant Ganesh? Anything that we are missing on? Any information? When do the
I
deliveries close, actually? We are almost on
yeah,
the 11th today. So 22nd is Ganesh
yeah.
Chaturthi. So when do you close deliveries? People, should they hurry up to in case they want to order?
Yes, yes, yes. So we are closing our orders by 12th for across
Okay.
India, like
Okay.
rural areas at least.
Right.
We are
Right.
closing by 12th, but
Yeah.
then we are keeping it open till 15th or 16th on our website for major cities like
Right.
metros,
Okay.
specifically like Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Pune,
Right.
Kolkata,
Right. Right.
then Chandigarh. I mean, capital cities where
Yeah.
we have
Yeah.
an access, where we have a quick access. So we're
Right.
keeping it open till 15th, probably 16th as well because it is Sunday. So
Okay.
definitely, I would love to see orders flowing in till 16th because I
Right.
don't want to disappoint people who want to
That's
really
true.
buy it.
That's true. Yes, everyone,
Uh,
in case because of the pandemic, the deliveries are taking a little time and there is been a little
yes,
delay. So, in case you want to order, please order as soon as possible. And this Divya is such a good gift also to give, isn't it? Like
yes,
you
yes.
feel so much joy to give something like this.
Yes, definitely. I mean, we have so many people coming forward to gift it to their loved ones or their
Right,
employees or whatever
right,
it is. Even
right,
corporates take it up from us for
right.
gifting their employees. So
Yes,
we find
yes.
it very sweet from them.
Amazing. Another thing, Divya, I would like to highlight. I'm also Maharashtrian and a South Indian. So for us as
Okay.
Maharashtrians, usually it's they
Sorry.
believe that when you get Ganesha at home, you have to at least get it for 3 years or a specific number of years, and you have to keep it for a specific number of days. So I would just like to
Yes.
say here that this is not something that you would have to think about like that. This is something that you're doing it for the environment, and we also
Yes.
encourage that you bring in the Ganesha. You want to do puja, you don't want to do puja, it's absolutely fine. Just the process
Yes.
of it growing from a Ganesha to a plant is going to be so amazing to
Yes.
be a part of. So there
Yes.
is
Yes.
nothing
Yes.
strict. There were a few of my friends who asked me, the puja has to be very. There is a certain amount of puja that you do. It's a very strict thing that you have to follow. So I would like to tell all of you that there is nothing like that. Just if you want to do puja, if you don't want to do puja, just bring the Ganesha with a pure heart, and I think that's what
Yes.
we should, yeah, highlight.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. So, we have got an overwhelming response throughout since we have been traveling together, and I'm very happy that you genuinely are doing this for the nature environment. I'm so amazed. I mean, I'm so amazed to see such a genuine effort, Shraddha.
Thank you, Divya, for
Thank you so
making me a
much.
part of this. I'm just so happy and overwhelmed that I could really support a cause which I really believe a lot in. And here you
Thank
are
you.
trying your best. I'm sure before now we see a product that's come out, but I'm sure there are a lot of hard work and sleepless nights that have gone inside this whole
Definitely,
idea and
definitely.
yeah, this whole project. So, congratulations. Would you like to tell us? There is a certificate that you mentioned that you sent to your buyers. Can you tell us about
Yeah,
that?
yeah. Yeah, actually, last year what we have done is we have presented this to our GHMC, that is Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. We've presented
Right.
it to them. Then I liked the idea so much, and they supported us for this cause. So
Mm-hmm.
we have I mean, we have a certificate. Basically, we wanted to give a certificate to everybody who purchases our plant Ganesh from our website that
Okay.
they are doing their bit in saving the
Right.
environment by
Absolutely.
using a clay idol. So
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
what we wanted to give a token of appreciation or a token of gratitude from our end
Yes,
to the customer side,
that's
whoever
right.
purchases it. and then we have put this across to GHMC, so they were very quiet. I mean, they were actually liked it. They liked it.
Okay.
They liked our idea, and they
Right.
accepted their logo to be added to other certificate.
That's
So this
amazing.
certificate, yeah, the certificate is a token of gratitude and appreciation for whoever is actually taking part or becoming a part in using these clay idols and not getting them, not taking POP idols and then having an
Right.
Imagen at home, so
Right.
that
Right.
Ganesha is with them in the
Right.
in a form of a plant.
Plant. That's
So
true. That's true.
yeah,
So I think since
one
the
thing I want
beginning,
to add.
yeah, sorry, tell me.
Yeah, so one thing I wanted to add here is, since we are from Hyderabad, for
Mm-hmm.
Hyderabadis exclusively, I meant for local Hyderabad deliveries, our website is open to order till 20th,
Oh,
20.
that's lovely. Okay. Everyone from
Yeah, it will be
Hyderabad d- uh,
yes.
can order it till okay, 20th.
Yeah,
Okay.
20th. We are
All
okay.
right.
And they can actually walk into our store as well in
Okay.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
So they can walk in and purchase as well. We will be more happy to see them
That's
and
great.
see our store, which is based out of plants. Basically,
Right.
we are a company which sells plants
Plants.
and
That's
do,
right.
yeah.
Yes.
So more about, I just wanted to add few points about Planaplant,
Sure.
because
Sure.
Planaplant is like, we have a website where people can purchase their favorite plants online and then they get delivered doorstep. So it
Okay.
is www.planaplant.com.
Okay.
So they can order their favorite plants. We deliver across India.
Oh,
The
you
plants
deliver
still would
across
be
India.
delivered, yes, across
Okay.
India.
Okay.
And then apart from that, locally in Hyderabad, right now we're doing indoor plantscaping for
Okay.
outside and inside. Yeah, for
Okay.
residentials, corporates, and then commercial spaces.
Okay.
So we have a designing team, expert
Okay.
team,
Okay.
who visits, who designs the space, and then we set up, and then we get
Right.
executed.
Okay.
Due to COVID, we are actually, for the safety of customers and us, we have stopped taking visits, but then
Okay.
we will resume soon. But then
Okay.
our work did not stop.
Right. Of
So
course.
we see a lot of passionate people to keep plants.
Of
So
course.
we take more photos or video and then we set up. And
Right.
then we also do green walls, like vertical garden
Right.
wall. Yeah, because we strongly believe there is no space constraint to grow plants,
That's true. That's
wherever
true.
small
Yes.
space.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So during this 4 years, we have come across a long way. So we've done big and small projects. To name
Right.
few, we have done Mumbai, Pune. We have done projects with
Okay.
OYO workspaces.
Okay.
Then we have few corporates which we worked here, and
Okay.
then we worked for, in South, specifically in AP
Mm-hmm.
Telangana, we worked with. We had a privilege to work with Tollywood stars like Trivikram Garu.
Okay.
Great director in South. So
Okay.
you might also be knowing it since
Yes.
your
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
film background.
Yes.
So Pawan Kalyan sir also, we had a privilege to meet Pawan Kalyan sir,
Oh, that's
Allu
lovely.
Arvind sir, yeah, Allu Arvind sir, and
Okay.
then we had this privilege to meet them personally and talk to them. For few we have done works. Parshuram
Okay.
sir,
Okay.
yeah. So
That's
we have
amazing.
good friends. Yeah, we have good friends in the industry.
Okay.
So definitely, it was a learning journey. We have
Of
learned a
course.
lot.
Yeah.
Till here we have come. So there is always a learning, and we are very much confident that we would take it far off.
Of course, it's such a nice thing. Is there any other eco-friendly products that you have that you'd like to share with us? Like plants are of
Yeah,
course
actually,
eco-friendly, but there are some exciting things that you told me last time that I would love everyone to know about.
yeah. So the basic, apart from plant Ganesh that we started off, we also have seed flag, which we
Okay,
started in 2018.
okay, okay,
2 year, I think 2 years or 3 years back, we started off with seed flag, which is
okay.
like generally for Independence Day or
Yes,
Republic Day.
yes, yes, yes.
We see people wearing flags here at the pocket,
Yes, yes.
and they are mostly made of plastic. And then once the occasion is done, we just throw them off or
That's true.
disregard our own flag, which
Flag,
is
yes.
like a disregard for our own country.
That's true.
So that is the main reason why we have come up with a seed flag, which is made of a paper by, I mean, biodegradable paper, which has
Okay.
seeds in it. It's a handmade paper which has
Amazing.
seeds in it. So they
That's
can purchase it,
so
they can
nice.
wear it, and
This
then they can
this
sew it.
idea is so amazing. Like I heard about it yesterday and I got so excited because yes, this is also an issue that we face that now 15th August is coming. Everyone gets excited to purchase the
Yes,
flags, and
yes,
unfortunately we get those flags in plastic. So guys, please don't buy plastic flags. Please buy paper flags.
yes,
And in case if you
yes.
have to, if you want to buy, is it a smaller size, Divya?
Yes, it is the smallest size. We
Right.
what we sell is like
Yeah.
2 inch by 3 inch or 3 by
Okay.
3 inch ka,
Okay,
like how
okay.
we put it at a pocket size, because
Right.
it's worn by everybody on that day. And
Yes,
then
yes.
since we start, I mean, long way we go have come to 2 3 years now.
Hmm.
Now there are many sellers who do this
Okay,
biodegradable flags,
okay,
and it is
okay.
very nice people coming out to sell these and
Right.
encourage eco-friendly
Absolutely.
products which are
That will be so
environment pro.
amazing. That's true. That will be so amazing to see a flag which we obviously pay respect on 15th of
Yeah,
August or whenever we have to, and then again see it grow into a plant. That's an amazing idea. That's
yeah.
so
Thank you so
wonderful.
much. Thank you so much.
That's
But then
wonderful.
also we give, I mean, we customize this when it is given as a gift, because we
Okay,
give them along with a coco coir pot, and we give
okay,
them along with a, I mean, along with coco peat, which they can
okay,
actually use it at home. So this is the
okay.
flag, seed flag.
Wow. Is it available on your
Uh,
website, Divya?
Yeah, it is, but then out of location, out of Hyderabad, it would actually be delayed to
Okay.
reach.
A little too
But
late, but
then,
we'll keep this in mind for sure.
yeah, so this is the flag that we
Okay.
actually sell,
Right.
small size, which you can
Right.
wear it like this, or you can gift it to somebody.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Then you can do, I mean, proper usage, so
Yeah.
that so that we're not disrespecting, and
Yes.
it's prone to nature.
Nature. That's amazing. And
Yeah,
is it
nature pro.
necessary, Divya, if someone buys the flag, is it necessary to get the pots also from you, or can we plant it in any pot that we have with any soil? How does that work?
Yeah, pot is not mandatory, Shraddha. You
Okay.
can use pot whatever you have at your home. But then
Okay.
for this flag to germinate, you
Yes.
have to use a healthy soil
Okay.
for this to germinate.
Okay.
So definitely it has a process. You can sprinkle water over this paper, seed paper,
Okay.
and then I mean, keep it in a vacuum for 2 to 3 days, or you can just damp it and then
Okay.
keep it like so that it starts melting, and then put it in healthy soil. Soil is
Okay.
more important for the seed to
Important.
germinate.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, pot is
And of
not at
course,
all a mandatory.
you give all the instructions, everything will be written with
Yes,
along with a flag. That's amazing. That's
yes,
such an incredible
yes.
idea. Hats off to all you people, you
Thank
Ganesh,
you.
the whole Plan a Plant team, that you guys are coming with such nice ideas, which we are able to respect what we do,
Uh,
respect our country, our.
Aishada. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me, Divya?
Yeah, yeah. In
Okay,
between there was
lovely.
some.
Yeah, there's some
Yeah,
network issues. So I
yeah.
just would want to tell you that it's so amazing that you guys have come up with such a great initiative. Like we get to do
Thank you
what
so
we have
much.
been following through so many years. I remember when I told this to one of my friend, and she also said she asked her father-in-law if they can bring the Ganesha home, and they also said the father-in-law said that it's such an amazing idea to see the kids, to show the kids that this is
Yes,
how you can take it forward, because for so many years
yes,
unfortunately we've been doing it wrong, we've been damaging our nature,
Yes.
unknowingly, but
Yes.
obviously the emotions are very high, very strong, but the
Yes.
end result
Yes.
has not been very productive and very good for our nature. So it's a very nice way to show your generation to follow your traditions, but also
Correct.
save the planet and
Save
save the
nature.
environment.
Exactly.
Exactly. that's
Exactly.
that's such
It's a
a
high
great
time.
thing.
Yes, it is a high time that we actually react to such things, that
Yes,
those are happening around, and the
yes,
coming generations do not have a privilege to be careless.
that's
So
true,
they
that's
have to be
true,
careful in whatever that we are doing or whatever it is happening. So they
that's
have to
true.
be careful. And it
Yes,
is, I mean, it feels very nice when we switch to such ideas,
yes,
because Ganesh festival is so dear to everybody. I mean, it is widely celebrated across India, and
absolutely.
Ganpati is like so dear. So definitely
Yes,
we can have a better way of celebrating this festival.
yes. And I always believe that the size of the idol doesn't matter, your emotions do.
Yes,
So
yes,
I think that's very important, that I think we should realize now that uh, a small, nice idea supporting a good cause is very important than bringing huge idols and celebrating it.
yeah,
I think the emotions, the joy is just going to be the same. In fact, it's going to be
time,
much
yes.
more when you see the Ganesha sprouting into a plant.
Yes, yes, definitely. Size is not a matter. And
Right.
again, one more thing is, during this COVID situation, it is
Yes.
not even advisable to go out,
Absolutely.
search
Yes.
out for some
Yes.
eco-friendly options. So that
True.
is when we deliver it to their doorstep. It is the safest way to order online and then
Right.
get delivered to your
Absolutely.
doorstep.
Yeah, yeah. This time I think
Yeah,
we can't afford to go out, bring the Ganesha in
yeah,
our house, do the Visarjan, go out. We have to maintain social distancing. So I think in that case, that's also so ideal that we have the Ganesha, we celebrate it with our family, and then we do
yeah.
Visarjan at home.
True, true. That is more
That's
important.
amazing.
Stay safe, staying home is more
Exactly,
important,
exactly.
not only for
Absolutely.
us, but for those whom we meet.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Lovely. So, guys, are there any other questions? Divya, would you like to say anything? Have we covered
Uh,
everything?
I hope we covered everything about Plan Ganesh,
Yes, I
and
think
whatever
so
you
too.
had, yeah, you had some, I mean, whatever you get, you keep asking, or some, I'm sorry, you get questions about Plan Ganesh and everything. I hope we have covered.
Yes, I think so
So,
too.
in case if there is anything, Plan a Plan team is very happy to hear the doubts that you guys
Yes,
have. You
yes,
can reach out to us. You can DM us on our Instagram, Facebook,
absolutely.
or any. I mean, you can ping us. We will be just a ping away or a click away to help
Yes,
you. You
yes,
can come on our website. You can chat with us. There is a helpline there. I mean, we have a chat help there, so
yes,
that we can help out people how
yes.
to purchase it, or direct them how they can use
Right,
it if they have
right.
any queries.
Yes.
So anytime we are happy to help you.
Absolutely. Guys, everyone, I've heard someone that, ma'am, please say something. I'm just so happy and overwhelmed, you guys, all you lovely people, to shower so much love on me, on us, on our cause. And every bit counts. You guys have been so, so supportive. Thank you so much. I'm really, really, all of us are really grateful. And we have a special guest also. So I think
Oh,
we
is
should
it?
end this live session with our Ganesha.
Wow. Very
And
nice.
yes, this is, guys, the joy that you get when you hold him. I'm telling you, it's priceless, it's precious. And please bring him home. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful.
Thank you, Shraddha.
So,
Actually, I also would want to specially thank those people who genuinely have put up stories about us in their
yes,
Instagram walls,
yes,
and
yes,
then it's been like it's a, genuine effort, or for the cause that they have taken up initiative. And
yes,
my heartfelt thanks to Shraddha Kapoor, Tiger Shroff, Yami
Yes.
Gautam. So who have actually come up genuinely to put it in their story and then
Yes.
support for the cause. So, so
Everyone
thankful to
who has
them.
given us a shout out, each and every one of
Yeah,
you
each and
guys.
every one.
Everything, it
Yeah,
matters so much. It really,
so
really
much to
matters
us.
a lot. Yes. So
Yes, it
let's
matters a
end this
lot to us.
live session by saying Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Ganpati Bappa Moria, Adha Laddu
Moria.
Choria.
Thank you everyone for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you,
so much,
Divya.
Shraddha. It's a
Thank you. It was
wonderful
a
time that I
pleasure.
had with you.
Yes, yes.
Pleasure is all mine.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you.
everyone for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes.